Conservation Tales is a project that focuses on teaching kids, students, young readers all about different types of animals, what they can do to help with the process. So we achieve that goal by writing books and like illustrating our own books, taking photographs for the books.
And it started as a really small idea to produce some kids' books that teach them that they can impact wildlife conservation in their own home. And as we started developing books, we realized it's also an opportunity to show them conservation actions they can do at home and the science activities that they can practice to develop the science skills that we're trying to depict in the book.
Essentially, they're stories about really how anybody can be a scientist and anybody can work to help conservation efforts.
To show that scientists are not the stereotypic white male scientists that they see in the media and in textbooks. And so that those themes became really important parts of what we were doing.
Tigers or orangutans are some that they've done in the past, and then the books for this season are monarch butterflies and the invasive carp.
This is our world that we live in, and we have to take care of it. It's important to just be involved in conservation and showing kids at a young age that, hey, even you at your age, you can do something, you can do little things, you can start learning about this stuff.
I think the most enjoyable part of the project is being able to combine science and creativity.
Science and art have always gone together, but not a lot of people see that. If you look in a science textbook, there are always illustrations and photographs that some artist has had to create. There's a really close connection between the two, and there aren't very many opportunities, I think, for students to practice doing that kind of connection. And that's where our project, I think, builds a really important tie between our two disciplines.
Our students gain skills and abilities to work as a team, and also to develop a real important portfolio piece. And for us to be able to give this opportunity to undergraduate students, I think is pretty phenomenal.
Seeing things come together. So I'll start an illustration, it's like it'll just be in sketch form, we will critique it and see what things need to be changed, what do we want to add, and then it's kind of like having an actual kind of like freelance job or your own job in the art industry where you are working on a team.
Our students are completely responsible for this book. From the graphic design to the story development to the science processes to which photographs are going to be selected, to the storyboarding, the layout of the pages, what the characters' names are, what diversity issue are they familiar with through their families or their experiences that they want to introduce into the storyline.
And then professionally, it's just opened so many different doors via networking and experience levels. So it's definitely benefited me in all aspects of life.